Hey guys, today I'm making lamb karahi. Add your oil into a pot on high heat and allow it to heat through slightly. Then add in your lamb chunks. Give it a mix and add in your ginger and garlic paste and mix it in well. Then add in the chili powder, ground black pepper, ground coriander, ground cumin, red chili flakes, and some salt. Mix it together and add in some water. Allow this to cook for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how soft you prefer your meat. Stir it occasionally and add in some water whenever necessary. When it's done cooking, add in your tomatoes. Mix it well and allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. When the tomatoes have softened completely and the gravy thickens, you can add in your fresh green chili and the fresh coriander. Mix it through well and it's ready to serve with your choice of rice, roti or naan. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.